Hi guys, this is my bird aviary, and we've got a few quails down here and quail over here. We've got some budgies in here, up the top here, and if I open this and go into our bird aviary, we've got these two, we've got these three budgies, we've got a white quail, a dark brown quail, and another dark brown quail here. And inside this hole here, there is a mum budgie and some babies. So yeah, and inside here are some quail eggs. Oops, they're a bit too full at the moment. And here's nothing. And then there are a few rock sculptures, some sticks that they can plant, a drink of water. But